You are looking live at a cloudless sky once again as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera off to the west. Picture perfect visibility all the way to the Blue Ridge and beyond. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The next big thing I'm tracking here in the Weather Center is going to be the continuation of this temperature seesaw, especially through the middle part of the week. We kick things off in the morning in the chilly 30s and 40s. It's tough to dress, in a weather pattern like this. You need the coat in the morning and short sleeves in the afternoon, as temperatures will have at least a 30-degree rise in temperature from dawn to afternoon, with highs approaching 80 degrees in parts of the area over the next couple of afternoons before the first cold front arrives on Wednesday night. Great snapshot coming to us from the Shenandoah National Park. This was yesterday along Skyline Drive. You can see, we're seeing some increasing fall color. In fact, the fall foliage is kind of patchy. It looks like we're seeing some areas are duller than others. This is the live view from the top of Wintergreen, where the fall foliage is nearing peak color. Spectacular fall color at this vantage point. So in portions of the central and southern Blue Ridge, the colors may be a bit more vibrant than the northern Blue Ridge. But the bottom line, we're seeing some decent fall color, and the fall color should begin to peak across the Blue Ridge over the next couple of weeks and around Halloween into early November for the lower elevations. In that first forecast for the rest of this Monday, sunshine, blue skies, near calm conditions with the temperatures rebounding nicely through the mid and upper 70s, even a couple near 80 degrees, especially towards Culpeper, maybe downtown Charlottesville on those bank thermometers in the mid 70s for the Shenandoah Valley, which is a couple degrees above average for this time of the year. After sunset, which is now just before 6:30, we'll have a quick drop in temperature back into the 50s, 40s, and some 30s by tomorrow morning. Right now at midday, we're in the low to mid 60s in the valley, upper 60s and low 70s over Central Virginia. 29 First Alert Doppler. Well, we can give it the next several days off. There's nothing to show with no clouds. There's the view in Harrisonburg, ID1, seeing some decent fall color on some of those trees along the interstate. The big picture shows the main storm track going from the Rockies into the Great Lakes. That leaves us dry with a warmer southwest wind flow. There's an update on Tropical Storm Oscar. It made landfall as a hurricane on the eastern tip of Cuba yesterday. It will have no direct impact to the U.S. In fact, it will dissipate as it moves away from the southeast Bahamas, the Turks and Caicos over the next couple days. Here at home, here comes a dry cold front on Wednesday night. It'll knock temperatures back down into the 60s on Thursday and Friday, and lows back in the 30s and the 40s. The next cold front arrives on Saturday night. In your 29 First Alert forecast today, sunshine, blue skies, highs of 75 to 80. Tonight, a quick drop back into the low and mid 40s. That's seasonably chilly for this time of the year under a starry moonlit sky. Tuesday's forecast, more sunshine, blue skies, a bit warmer by a couple degrees, upper 70s and the lower 80s. 7-day forecast, 40s tomorrow night, up to 80 Wednesday, a dry cold front at night, followed by a cooling trend on Thursday and Friday. A little uptick in the temperature starting in the lower 70s and then cool again by next Sunday, but no sign of rain until perhaps November.